Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an extreme clean with me. Hopefully this video can give you lots of cleaning motivation and inspiration. This video is almost 15 minutes long, so feel free to clean right along with me. So before we get into the cleaning, I am showing you just how messy the house is. Some parts of the house are extremely messy and there's a reason for that. Yesterday I was super busy with work and I had to run errands in town, so I didn't get a chance to do a whole lot of cleaning, and I brought a bunch of groceries home that I had to put away. And last night my house looked just like this, and normally I would have cleaned it up quickly before bed, but it was dark outside and I knew I wanted to film an extreme clean with me. I don't like to film when it's dark outside because of the lighting, so I just put it off until the morning. But usually I don't like to go to bed with my house this messy, and this is all just a real life mess. None of this is staged. I do get comments, believe it or not, of people saying that I mess up my house purposely for these videos, and that is not true. This is a real life mess. Trust me, I would never mess up my house on purpose. It takes way too long to clean it all. So the first area that I started cleaning in was my kitchen, just the basic tidy up that I always do. Put the dishes in the dishwasher, wash the dishes, wipe down the countertops, and at the end of this video I will sweep and mop the floor. And also, if you guys are new here, I would love to have you subscribe. Just click that red subscribe button and click the bell beside of it to turn on your post notifications. Also, make sure you head over and follow me on my Instagram. I'll have it come up here on the screen. The dish soap that I'll be using and this glass dish soap bottle is all from Grove Collaborative, and you can also get this cute set, the white stoneware tray and the holder to hold your scrubbies and your sponges, also from Grove Collaborative. And right now you can still get all of this stuff pictured here on the screen for free: the white cleaning caddy, the cleaning concentrates, the sponges, the glass spray bottle, free shipping, and a free VIP trial. It's all free with my link down below. Definitely go and take advantage of it while it is still going on. after the kitchen was cleaned up, I wanted to get a load of laundry started, so I headed back and got the sheets off of Kyle's bed so that I could add them to what was already in the washer and get that started. So as you saw, I got the playroom all cleaned up, and then now I vacuumed it, and so we'll see how long it stays this clean. Usually it doesn't stay clean very long once the boys start playing. So after that, I headed into the hall bathroom and I started cleaning that up, just tidied it up, wiped down the countertop, cleaned the toilet, all that kind of stuff. This Caldria linen and room spray in the scent Rosewater Driftwood smells so amazing, and it is from Grove Collaborative. All the cleaning products that I've been showing you are from Grove, and that's because that's where I get all of my cleaning stuff at. So after that bathroom is clean, I moved on to cleaning up the living room areas, and this side of the living room really wasn't that bad, just fluffing the pillows, picking up the books, stuff like that. But once I got to the other side of the living room, that is where it was really messy, so I tidied it all up, and my plan was when I got done with all of my cleaning throughout the house that I was going to vacuum the living room carpet. Well, once I got done with all of my cleaning, I had to rush out the door to take my son to a Sunday school class, so I didn't end up getting that vacuuming done, but that was the plan originally. So now I was working on cleaning the master bathroom and then the master bedroom, made the bed, and there was clothes to put away in that laundry basket and clothes and stuff on the floor to clean up. The last bit of cleaning that I was able to do before I headed out the door was to sweep all of the wood floor, and then I mopped it all with my spray mop, and I will be using the O Cedar spray mop. If you guys are wondering, I really have been loving it so far. I recently got it and it's been working great for me. Probably one of the best spray mops that I've ever had. And that is going to be it for today's cleaning video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and that it gave you lots of cleaning motivation and that you were able to clean along with me. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Just click that red subscribe button down below and click the bell beside of it. Also, head over to my Instagram to follow me over there as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!